10 easy Filipino dishes you can cook at home. Hey there, welcome to Brightest Life. Here, we celebrate the heart and flavor of Filipino cooking. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen, a busy mom, or an OFW missing the taste of home, we've got you covered. 1. Adobo, a classic Filipino favorite made with chicken or pork simmered in soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns. It's savory, slightly tangy, and best served with hot rice. Easy to cook and even better the next day. 2. Sinigang, a comforting sour soup using tamarind as the base. You can use pork, shrimp, or bangus milkfish, and fill it with vegetables like kangkong, radish, and eggplant. Great for rainy days and easy to make with a seasoning mix. 3. Tinolang Manok, this light and healthy ginger-based chicken soup is cooked with green papaya and chili leaves. It's perfect for beginners and great when you're feeling under the weather. 4. Tortang Talong, grilled eggplant dipped in beaten egg, then pan-fried to perfection. It's simple, budget-friendly, and delicious. Add ground meat or cheese for extra flavor. 5. Ginisang Mango, this mung bean stew is cooked with garlic, onions, and tomatoes. You can add pork, shrimp, or tinapa, and top it with malunggay or ampalaya leaves. Nutritious and filling. 6. Bistek Tagalog, a Filipino-style beef steak marinated in calamansi and soy sauce, sautéed with onions. Quick to prepare and full of bold flavor, served with steamed rice. 7. Lumpiang Shanghai, these many fried spring rolls, filled with ground pork and veggies, are easy to prepare in batches. Crunchy, meaty, and perfect as a snack or ulam with ketchup or sweet chili sauce. 8. Paksinaw Bangus, milkfish simmered in vinegar, garlic, and ginger. Add eggplant and ampalaya for variety. It's a low-cost, no-fuss dish with bold flavors that get better overnight. 9. Ginisang Sayote, sautéed chayote with garlic, onion, and tomatoes, sometimes with ground pork or shrimp. A healthy and easy veggie dish perfect for quick dinners. 10. Pancit Canton, a stir-fried noodle dish with vegetables, meat, and soy-based sauce. Just boil the noodles, toss with your sautéed ingredients, and it's done in minutes. From mouth-watering adobo to Philippine peso 100 budget meals, quick 1-minute hacks, and the top 10 Pinoy recipes you love most. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so there's always something new for you to try. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and cook along with us. This is Brightest Life, bringing Filipino flavor to your screen every week.